Hello, my crafty friends. Get excited because this is the very last video of the September 2021 10-minute segments. We're going to be decorating today. Yay! All right, I'm going to be using my navy blue Nuvo drops for the front of the card. And then I will be using this cute little dandelion, I guess, stamp with Pear Pizzazz to put in the inside. Okay, let's get started. Ten minutes on the clock. And away we go. I'm going to stamp the insides first before I put the Nuvo drops on, so they have a chance to dry. Okay. Well, that didn't stick very well, did it? Okay, that's better. Not sticking, so let me get out my Velcro adhesive. This is my Velcro adhesive. Put a little bit on the stamp and try again. If they get old, they lose their stickiness. Okay, let's try it again. And I can probably vary where I put this, that's fine. I guess it just depends on where the sentiment is. You know, if it's centered or not centered. Like, yeah, I'll just leave it up here so we have room for... They can write a short note under here or just their name if they want. But I think the Pear Pizzazz goes really nicely with the leaves on the flower paper. There. Okay. Put on the Nuvo drops and find different places to set them so I don't wreck them. They have time to dry. Well, okay. Let's see if this will come up. Okay, well, that one's going to be a boo-boo, looks like. Oh, well, okay. That one's not going to be great. I can just make another whole piece later for this one. It's really important that I put something on here to keep them flat. See how, well, that's okay, I guess. I don't want them to open up too wide while it's drying. Okay. Here's the one that didn't turn out so well. And here's the other 7. Okay. And let's see how much time we had left. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Here is the Sheetload itself, the printout. And I will link Alicia's video down below in my description box. Thank you so very much for joining me along my little journey here of 10-minute segments making my set of the September 2021 Sheetload. Have a wonderful Labor Day. See you real soon. Bye-bye.